Good morning once again. Our topic today, as you are very much aware, is sedentary lifestyle. Okay? Last week we covered part 1. As we promised, today we are going to cover part 2. And we'll proceed that way. Sedentary lifestyle. Sorry. Now, if you can remember our introductory statement of last week, we said that there has been a large shift from manual labor jobs, for example, farming, manufacturing, building or construction, to office jobs, right? Which, due to many contributing factors, including globalization, outsourcing of jobs, and technological advances, specifically the internet and computer, right? People today, right, are doing less, or they are moving their body less, okay? Because they are spending a lot of time in the office, seated, all right? Very little physical activity. It's been on an increase, all right? And that is at work. At home, it could even be worse, right? The prevalence of sitting while watching TV, sitting and sometimes sleeping on the couch while watching TV has risen over the last several decades. 5 decades or so, 5 to 6 decades, right? The other one is of working from home. You have not completed a task at work, so you use your computer at home, right? Or away from school over the weekends or in the evening. So there's been that prevalence, of lack of movement. In fact, a global review representing 47% of the global adult population, right? You can see 47%, right? Found that the average person sits down for 4.7 to 6.5 hours a day. And this average, sadly, has been rising every year. 47% of the adult population, average person sitting down for 4.7 to 65 hours a day. And it has been rising every year. Okay? Now, that brings us to the question, what is sedentary lifestyle? We need to define sedentary lifestyle. And a few of you gave us different versions of the definition. Can I have some reminders? What did you say was sedentary lifestyle? Bilha? Yes. A lifestyle of little inactivity. Susan? Yes? Lazy lifestyle. Aha. Jimmy? Yes. Oh, lying down and sitting down. Yeah, you're right. Those are some of the factors that will confirm that somebody perhaps, right, is a victim of sedentary lifestyle. No movement. Very little movement, if any. Okay? But now, we need to remind ourselves of the exact definition. Can anybody remember the exact definition, word for word, or thereabout? Anybody? Yeah, you're referring to your notes, No, from the top of your head. Can you remember the definition? Yes, at the back there, Elvis. Yeah. Physical movement. Excellent. By the way, we are not appreciating people. We agree that we appreciate people. That is one of the house rules. Can we clap for Elvis and all the others who have contributed so far, including me, Makofi? Thank you. Yes, the exact definition of a sedentary lifestyle is when someone spends 6 or more hours per day sitting or lying down, and thus Because of that lying down and sitting, they lack significant physical movement in their daily life. The exact definition of sedentary lifestyle is when someone spends 6 or more hours per day sitting or lying down, and thus they lack physical activity. And then, if you can remember well, we got practical. So much for definitions. But now, what are the warning signs? What are the red flags? What are some of the things that I'll see, right, that will confirm to me that that person is already a victim of sedentary lifestyle? What are some of these? Yes, your name please? Yeah, Grace. Oh, aches and pains. Yes, where are the aches and pains? Yes, the neck and the back. Anybody else? Of course, weight gain. That is pretty obvious. Any other? Difficulty? Yeah, concentrating. Good. Number 1, sleeplessness. Sleeplessness. That is a warning sign. Signs are things that you can see with your eyes. You can see, or you can feel, right? When your body doesn't feel like it needs to rest because it has been resting the whole day anyway, right? You will have problems sleeping because you have been resting. There will be no activity. So you don't need to recharge. There's nothing to recharge. You'll have sleep problems. That's number 1. Number 2 is fatigue. All the time feeling tired. Not because you've done a lot. You're just feeling tired. This one is caused by a hormone called endorphins, right? Endorphins produce what we call a burst of energy, right? This energy causes some mood boosting. They are mood boosters and pain relievers as well, okay? So when you're not moving your body is not able to release this hormone called endorphin, and hence fatigue all day. Number 3, difficult concentrating. Do you remember that? Yes, somebody mentioned it affects the brain. So without enough physical activity, your alertness, your attention, and motivation can take a big hit, right? All the time, not able to concentrate. Number 4, aches and pains. Somebody mentioned that. Aches and pains, especially around the neck and the back. If you were not suffering from aches and pains before and you begin to suffer from it, I think you need your body, the signal, your body is telling you, you need to move me a little bit more. Okay? And of course, number 5, weight gain. This is pretty obvious. Somebody mentioned, right? When you're not burning calories, what do you expect? You gain weight. Okay? Yes, and if you gain a lot of weight, you suffer from a very severe condition called obesity. Very good. So we covered the overview and introduction. We defined sedentary lifestyle. Yeah? And we also explored the warning signs, the red flags. Now today, we are going to explore the various ways of managing, right, sedentary lifestyle, and also explore the various risks that are associated to sedentary lifestyle. Let me start with the latter, the risks of sedentary lifestyle. Are your pens ready? Yes, have your pens ready. Have your notepad. Pay attention. Ask questions as usual. Contribute if you feel there's something you want to contribute. When I ask a question, of course, I expect you also to answer my questions so that all of us can benefit from this. Remember, we said that much as some of the terms might be heavy or might have buzzwords or some scientific words, some of them in Greek, others in Latin, we shall try to keep things as simple as possible. Keep it simple and stupid. And I'll start with the first one. The first risk associated with sedentary lifestyle It's a mouthful. It's a vein-related problems. Write down vein-related problems.